Yeah, another one going in. Oh yeah, that's gonna be good. Look at that pizza. It's looking really, really good. Oh yeah, you can score all your high quality garnishing tools at the sponsor, and this is not the crap the other guys are selling. You've seen it all over the place, you know, for $10, $20. It's a bunch of crap. This is made in Germany, high quality. The peeler's Sweden, I showed you that. The scoops, the channel knife, this is all German. This stuff's made to last, people. And of course, the case too. You gotta have a nice roll-up case. So this is very important that you have the right tools. Thanks for watching. Support your sponsor. Have a great day.